Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Propstream account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you find a list of vacant land using your Propstream account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to find a list of vacant land in Propstream anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business doing wholesale real estate, or maybe you're an investor, you know there's no sense in wasting your advertising budget for properties that you're just not interested in. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Propstream dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Propstream, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to find a list of vacant land, first you're going to need to choose your farming area. So it could be a zip code, it could be a city, it could be a county. It really depends on the area you're working in. But for the purpose of this video, I'm going to go ahead and click in the search bar and just type in Portland, Oregon. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see the area pop up here at the bottom. Go ahead and click on it. Okay, next Propstream is going to let you know how many properties they have logged in the area. So it looks like there's about 320,000 properties. However, in order to filter this down by vacant land, you're going to click here on filter. Once you do that, here on the left, you're going to click on property details. Once you do that, you're going to see these 5 options. Be sure to click on vacant land. Okay, as you can see, it looks like there's 14,000 properties that Propstream has determined to be vacant land in Portland, Oregon. So for me personally, that's a huge list. So I'm generally going to go ahead and dwindle that down. So for example, if we want the lot size to be a certain amount, we're going to click here minimum. And let's say we want the minimum to be a ½ acre. Okay, now you can see it immediately drop down to about 3,500 properties. Also for me, I like to buy from individual owners. So normally what I'm going to do is click here on owner information. And once I do that, I'm going to click here on owner type individual. Okay, you can see that's about 600 properties. So you can continue to filter it down if you want, especially if the list is really huge. For me personally, 600 properties is about right for my list size. So I'm going to click on this orange view properties button. And here on the right, you can go ahead and scroll through and look at the vacant properties, or you can go ahead and zoom in on the map if you have a particular area that you're looking to buy in. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to find a list of vacant land using your Propstream account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.